Hi, how are you doing? This is Life in Florida. My name is Ari. Today I will be trying a tree ripened orange sherbet mango. So let's see if it actually tastes like orange sherbet. You can see the mango, it's not like super clean looking, but on a good note, I don't use any chemicals. So many times I realize, like with organic products, organic produce, maybe they not like a perfect immaculate looking, but it's probably better for my family and our friends. So this is the last one. I trimmed the tree right after I picked this one today. So let's give it a try. Oh, it smells so amazing. Check it out. I wish if there would be a smell button for you guys. It's amazing. Oh, it smells so good. So let's see, this is the way it looks. And let's see if anything like the name says it. Wow. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite mango. Absolutely delicious, like heavenly, I would say. I can taste like an orange essence. Hey Dexter, what's up? You wanna eat some? Oh my gosh. You wanna eat some? So I can taste like an orange essence. The closer to the skin, the stronger it becomes. I like the Talenti sherbets, like they have a mango sherbet, but this one I think it's so much better. They have really good ones, but it cannot compete with this variety of mango. Absolutely delicious. No, not stringy, not really stringy at all. Soft like butter. And if you have a chance to graft it, to plant it, I think you would love it. I don't see many people who wouldn't. Very, very delicious. This was a tree ripened one, and I'm so lucky because squirrels and trash pandas, like raccoons, they checking out the garden a lot. But they left this last one, so that was really nice. If you have a chance to plant it, if you live in an area that you can plant it, absolutely. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. There is mangoes and there is Florida mangoes. The variety, it's phenomenal. I feel like we are in mango paradise. So we are very blessed to be able to get all these varieties and be able to grow them. So thank you so much for watching. Push a like if you like the video, subscribe if you already not, and I will see you guys later with more plant videos. I have been planting a whole lot this day. I have been planting aki tree. I have been planting what's the name I got, I tasted the fruit not a long time ago. I planted the seed. I planted abius. I planted they are about a year old abiu, little seedling trees, and I planted lakucha. That's what I couldn't remember. Okay, so I planted lakucha fruit. I planted several citruses like pomelo, the smaller one. I planted, took out many of the bromelias, the sun bromelias, because I realized they taking up too much space and they are mean, like they cut you. So I figured I'm gonna, if I plant over there, I'm gonna plant more pineapples, because yeah, they can be mean too, but at least they give you a delicious fruit. So I'm gonna take out many bromeliads. See you, bye.
Bye.
Bye.